I wrote an iPad grant, and part of the grant was that I would put on this big, huge production. And I would do a play and night at the museum, and we'd all go outside with iPads and look at the sky, and they would be our telescopes, and the iPads would be an actual planetarium.
This is Ghost Safari Light, and you can look at constellations, planets, and stars, and you can zoom in at them to see them closer. And if you click on constellation and go to info, it will tell you the information about that constellation.
This app is Grand Tour 3D, and you can go to Earth, and you can, if you see a purple blinking spot, that's where you are. You can also see where the sun is shining on the Earth and where it's not. You can also zoom in, and you can also go to, then you can look at different planets. Like I'm going to Jupiter, and I can try to find Jupiter's great red spot and also where it's not shining on.
Ours is 8 planets, and here's names. So I'm gonna go to names, and it's like a game, and you have to push start game, and then I'm gonna wait, and then it's gonna say which one's the first planet. I'm gonna say Mercury. Mercury's the first from the sun. And here's the black hole. The black hole is really cool. You have to try and guess which one it is before it goes into the black hole.
On spelling, you gotta spell the planets, and I did Mercury first, and then it tells me what the second one is. It's gonna be Venus, and then I'm going to matching. It's a cool matching game because you match planets, and I got Mars and Mercury.
My app is Star Walk, and it will show you all the times it rises at and sets at. If you X out of that, you can explore the sky and find a constellation. And then if you found a certain constellation, you look and see what its name is, and then press the magnifying glass and find it. You can search it. And then you press it if you find it, and then press this, and it gives you all the information about it, and the number of stars is in the constellation. You can go home location, and it will show you where in the world you are right now.
This is the planet app. This is Sky 3D. When you go around, you can see the constellations in Venus, Mercury, Saturn, and the Sun. I like the globe because you can see what is day or what is night. And you can see all the lights.
I'm doing the solar system. And click on explore, and we can see all these. She says let's explore. And then we see all these cards. We can click on them, like other things clicking on sun. She reads you what it goes on. You can click on this button. And there's all these pins. If you click the pin button, you tap on them, and it says different things.
Sky orb. And if I go over here, I can look at all the other constellations. If I tap right here, it gives me a tour of the solar system. There's the sun. Go over here. It shows me the light side of the Earth and the dark side, or nighttime. That's really cool. If I click right here, it shows me the moon, and it shows me the full moon date. And right now it's a waxing gibbous. That's really, really cool.
You had to go to Mrs. Ball's room?
You had to go to Mrs. Ball's room? You had to go to Mrs. Ball's room. Mrs. Ball's room.
So we have to go to Mrs. Ball's
I'm
room.
really happy to have those iPads. They are an exceptional educational tool, and I'm really lucky to have those iPads come to life. I mean, I've learned a tremendous amount, and they have learned a tremendous amount. So
Oh, the iPad.
Come with us at the night of the planetarium.
Hi, I'm Black Hole. I use the power of gravity to pull things toward me. My gravity is so strong that even light that gets too close gets stuck and can't escape. Did you know I used to be a large star? I ran out of fuel, but I was so heavy, I squashed myself up. Find me at the center of a galaxy, but you can't actually see me because I'm so tiny. Hi, I'm the nebula. There are 3 kinds of nebulas: the dark nebula, the light nebula, and the eagle nebula. Hi, I'm the cat nebula. As you can see, not only am I beautiful, but very complex. I am made of hot gases that have been sent into outer space by a dying star. Every 1,500 years, another amazing explosion happens. So I look like a bunch of gorgeous rings with a bright dot in the middle. They make me look like a cat's eye. Now I spend my time staring into space. Maybe I'm watching you. Hi, I'm the Big Dipper. I'm also known as the Plow or the Great Bear. I am a constellation. I have 7 stars. I'm part of Ursa Major. You can find the North Star by using Merrick right through tailgate and continue the lineup to find the North Star.
I'm a dwarf planet. I was discovered back in March 2005 by my friend Mike Brown. That means humans have only heard about me for 6 years. My home is the Kuiper Belt, an icy world that orbits far from the sun onto the frozen fingers of the solar system. It takes me 310 years to orbit the sun. I'm 1/4 the size of Pluto, and as far as you know, I don't have any moons. I'm a red planet, and I am shining because I'm covered with ice.